Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Here working on the SC300. Just to get you updated, picked up this project car in Lubbock just last week and just starting to dive into it. I'm going to customize it, either make it a track car or a drift car, or maybe a little combination of both. On these cars, if you lower them, that wiring harness is right up underneath the front driver wheel well, the wiring harness. And if you lower it, it's going to rub in there, and so it starts rubbing on some wire. So let's take a look at that. I just jacked the car up, popped the hood. I'm in here, and yeah, immediately I look up, and there is the wiring issue right there. Very clear as day. This car has max speeding rods, coilovers, adjustable coilovers on it when I bought it, and yeah, lots of wiring issues. So there it is. So what I'm going to do today is just assess it, see if I can minimize the damage, and then next video we will likely be digging way further into this to pull it and relocate it and fix it. All right, we just got back from O'Reilly's. We got some parts for the SC300. Let's see what kind of tools we got here. Some stuff for the wiring project. We got some wiring sleeves. Can heat up and shrink wrap the wires. We got some heat source, butane there to heat up the wiring. Little extra butane. We got some fuses because it's been blowing fuses. All right, let's dive into it. All right, so we've got the little wiring cover cut and then put over the first wire. Let's see how that does with the torch here. All right, we're making great progress. We got this one completely repaired here and got the covering put on it. I got this one here that is completely broke, so I've got some wiring right here that I am going to utilize, and we're going to continue on here. So making some good progress. I think this wiring harness is going to be you know, at least temporarily put back together. So that's good stuff. All right, let's keep going. We did a little bit of the wiring today. We fixed 2 completely severed wires and covered up a bunch of others. There's still many more to cover up, but it's running and driving. Running lights are working better. And then now let's check out the dash. I think a lot of the lights went out on the dash. It was like a Christmas tree. And now it's looking, let's see, pretty good. Let's see, let's do the seat belt. All right, yeah, we only got one light left, the airbag light. Looking good. Hey guys, this is day 2 of working on the electrical problem on the SC300 here. Continue to dig into that. We're about halfway through fixing the wiring harness, and yeah, so we'll get into that right now. Let's go. All right, we're figuring it out. Ethan and I figuring out the pinch method. So all we got to do is put that rubber piece over the wire, and then what we've been doing is
blow torching it.
We got like a piece of cardboard behind, right?
And then we just blow torch it.
We blow torched it.
And we pinch it like a lot, and if you hold a pinch, it will work.
So you hold the pinch. So you put a little bit of heat on it, and then you pinch hard. So when you cut these, they don't want to go together very well. But these little things that you get to put on wires, we're cutting them to slip them around the existing wire so we don't have to cut it off. But that's causing a little bit of an issue, so we figured it out that you heat it up, and then as soon as you heat it up, you pinch and hold and twist, and put some thick gloves on so that you can pinch hard and not get burnt.
3 layers.
3 layers. There you go. It's the perfect amount. All right, let's continue on. All right, so quick update here. We're working on the wiring harness. Update on the patch job on the wiring harness here. We're making good progress. We've only got 2 more wires to go. We've been using these to do the patchwork here. Heat shrink tubing. Obviously these work better when you have the wire cut and then you slide these through the wire and then shrink wrap it, but I'm having to cut these and put them over there. So it's not looking too perfect, but it's getting the job done. It's covering every wire up. I only had to actually repair 2 wires. The rest I'm just patching up with this covering. So we're down to these last 2 right here. Okay, so I cut some plastic off of a water bottle, and to replace the old plastic piece here that rubbed completely through. So similar in width to the original plastic piece. I glue them together a little bit. Gonna do some zip ties for now. This is gonna be, again, just a temporary fix so I can get the car inspected. I will reroute this at a later date. I'm going to do some homework on that, and then I'll make a good video, a how-to video on that. But for now, I've basically put together a replacement plastic piece that will protect this, and it even covered this wire on any short-term rubbing. And again, I've ordered some coilover tools to actually adjust the coilover to give it a little bit more ride height, so I don't rub so much to mitigate the issue further. So anyhow, this project's coming together nicely. I think this is going to be a great temporary fix. I think everything's going to be working properly. Already there's a bunch of lights on the dash that have gone out. So anyhow, this was the root of all the issues here. So we're on our way to having it fixed. All right, I'll get it all buttoned back up, and we'll take it for a test drive. Almost done. We're putting the last few screws here on the trimming, getting that all set, put back on the car. And we'll get the tire put back on. And this electrical job will, at least phase one of it, will be complete. We can go test drive it. Hey, what's up guys? Here in the SC300, we got a lot of things repaired. We got the wiring done, we got the horn working, we got the blinkers working. We're here at the inspection place, gonna get it inspected. Let's check that out. Here we are right over here. We're down the street from my place, gonna get it inspected. We'll see how this goes. Alright guys, stick around. Alright guys, over here at Jiffy Lube, just got the car inspected. It passed right away, and since it's a 1993, doesn't have to take emissions test. We got the paperwork right here, so let's go. Alright, we're all set. Paperwork ready to go. We can go get it registered. All that wiring work paid off, and we are set. All right, let's go. Thanks for watching my vlog about the SC300. Stick around for more videos like racing the motorcycle in Mexico, how to relocate the wiring harness, and unboxing my brand new wheels.